This is our second of two Fresno State students that are coming in today to mix it up. DJ Casanova started the day. He came up from LA to go to Fresno State. This is our man right here, DJ K. Rich from the Bay.
From the Bay.
So we got Fresno State represented from LA and Fresno State from the Bay. A final contestant this morning, DJ K. Rich. Here we go.
She ain't got no money in the bank. DJ K. Rich.
This young rapper, Full Clip DJs is definitely in the building. They holding it down in San Diego, LA, the Bay, and of course where I'm from, Central Cali, Fresno, you dig? K. Rich, what up? Full Clip DJs and the Valley Boy Stunners. Yes, right? It's the rap boy, Fresno to this. Valley Boys on the slide.
Extreme high energy drink.
Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That would be his name. Yeah. DJ K. Rich from Fresno State up in here this morning. Our final contestant.
Man, y'all need to get up, man. Y'all should be hyped to be on the radio, man. Y'all doing it through your shoe, man. I need to make sure, man. What's going on in here, man?
My shoe at him.
Man.
Threw my shoe at him.
I don't even need to tell this man to get up on the microphone this morning.
Ouch.
I was just going to say a couple things I liked about K. Rich before we turn it over to the judge. A couple things I just kind of liked, so I thought I'd throw it out there. Yeah. This man is in there dancing. This man is in there.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, he was grooving to all the other mixers that were doing their thing too. Not just during his set, but he was in there grooving the whole time. Did his thing. And also, I like this too, because I pointed it out with DJ Swift earlier. He put on a homegrown track. I really like that. You had Graphic.
Yes, sir.
You had Graphic.
That's the boy, man. Shout out to Graphic, man. I know he's out of town right now, but big shout outs to him, man.
And you threw him up in the mix, so another homegrown track got on there. So you did your thing. Jump on the mic, man. A lot of personality. K. Rich, I just bubbling through the speakers right now.
Yes, very much so, man. I just got to give a lot of love for you guys for doing something like this, because I know a lot of DJs want to get on the radio and stuff, and I know I really appreciate you guys doing this for us and stuff. I got to give a big shout out to everybody out there, everybody at Fresno State, all the homies from the Baker Hall at the dorms. I got to give a shout out to everybody back at home, San Jose, Bay Area, we in the building. We got to give a shout out to LA, Fresno, San Diego, West Coast. The Full Clip DJs are definitely in the building. And I actually got shirts for you guys too, actually. You know what? I got some shirts. Hey, I'm not trying to bribe you guys or nothing. You know, if that's not what you want. Nah, but I'm just giving y'all some shirts. I just got some handouts for y'all. I really appreciate it.
8.5.
Hey, that's what's up. Shout out to everybody, man, and really appreciate the show. You guys make sure you always tune in. B95 for life, baby.
Sir.
Yeah.
I like his energy, man. Like you said, even when other DJs were mixing, he was like dancing to their music. So
double
you can
larger.
tell he loves what he does.
Yeah, if he doesn't want to DJ, he can take my show on the mic. And he can
let's do it.
Let's do it.
That was 6 years ago. My very first time on B95 was in November 2006 for that contest. I didn't win. I came in second place, but I continued to push hard. And a couple months later, B95 contacted me to join the B95 Mixer Squad. And ever since, I've been with the radio station doing various different things. And everyone out there that's been supporting me, I like to say thank you, because as of today, officially, I am the new B95 night show host, 7 p.m. to midnight. Monday through Friday, you can catch me on your radio. So I like to say thank you guys once again for the continued support. And we're just getting started. There's a lot of big things in the works, but make sure you check me out on B95. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.